St. Louis First Forecast.
What's going on, guys? Thank you for checking in the St. Louis First Forecast. This is your video forecast for Monday, March 3rd, 2014. My name is Matt Witt. I'm the lead forecaster for St. Louis First Forecast. Well, guess what? We had a lot of Arctic air mass coming in. This is impressive for this time of year, March. The annual high in March for this time of year, it's like 54 degrees. We're at 15 degrees right now in St. Louis. Let's look at our current temperature across the area after that sleet and snowstorm we had yesterday. It made those roads pretty slick for your morning commute this morning. So when you're out and about today, they're a little bit better, but just kind of make sure you take it slow still before some black ice forms this evening. 15 in St. Louis, 14 in Catonsville, 15 in Belleville, 15 down in Waterloo, 13 in Edwardsville, reading at exactly 17 down in Arnold. So we're in the teens across the bi-state area. 19 is the warmest reading down in Rolla. So, throughout the day today, our high is only going to be about 22 degrees, and that's going to be around 3 o'clock today. But again, very cold temperatures in St. Louis, and that's going to be the case until about tomorrow afternoon. Not a big cold shot, but one that's like, hey, winter's still here. But as I can kind of see warm kind of building back in after March 15th or so. We still got about a week or two of winter left before we get into those warm temperatures, and that's going to feel very nice, especially after the winter we've had. Right now in St. Louis, 15 degrees right now, north winds pushing at 0 to 5 miles per hour, and the humidity will do it at 49%, and the barometric pressure is steady at exactly 30.49. So 15 degrees in St. Louis, not too shabby, but hey, it's really freaking cold. But at least that sun now, there's different sun angles, and now as we kind of approach the spring season, the March sun really is melting that snow and sleet away. We had about an inch of sleet on top of 2 inches of snow yesterday, so that snow, that kind of sun is kind of marching kind of across the sky, melting that snow and sleet. Even though it's 15 degrees, that sun is pretty strong. Let's go to our daily almanac right now in St. Louis. Daily almanac shows high usually today is about 22 degrees right now. The low that we reached this morning was exactly 3 degrees. Our average high for this time of year, look at that, 54 degrees. We're reading at about 30 degrees below average for this time of year. And the low for the average is about 35 degrees, and that's even above freezing. So both of those should support rain, not snow. Mother Nature, what are you doing? And the record high was 81 degrees, set back in 1946. And the record low was set back at 5 in 1943, so we definitely beat that record low for the record low of 3. Sunrise, 6:31 a.m., sunset at exactly 5:57 p.m. Local Doppler radar shows nothing in the way of any precipitation. Any precip that we have has moved south across the area, and that's going to be the case. Mostly sunny skies, not too shabby around town in St. Louis, and it's going to be pretty cold though, only about a high of 22. But I guess those sunny skies kind of make up for it. Then let's go to our weather headlines right now. So first of all, cold for Monday and Tuesday. We're looking at cold for Monday and Tuesday. Tuesday's going to be in the mid-30s. Still cold for this time of year, though, with that average high of 54. We're going to be about 35 tomorrow. We have a next chance of precip. Flurries. Flurries are a shot of mix Wednesday and the Wednesday night. Not a major storm system, but every now and then we'll see maybe some rain sprinkles or maybe some snow flurries around town. No accumulation with that expected on Wednesday. Then as we head towards the end of the week, we're going to get a little bit warmer. By the end of the week, I'm looking at upper 40s, lower 50s, so that's going to be pretty nice compared to the 15 degrees we're at right now. So warm by the end of the week. We have a shot of rain next weekend, probably around Saturday, so I'm going to keep that rain chance on Saturday going for you. But right now, it's not looking too shabby for this weekend. All right, let's go to our day planner in St. Louis right now. Currently, by 3 o'clock p.m., we'll be at 22 degrees, mostly sunny. Then we go to 6 o'clock p.m., and we're dropping at 17 degrees, mostly sunny skies. Now watch for that ice to form. Watch for that ice definitely to form, especially since the sun's going to go down around 6 o'clock p.m. Watch for that black ice to form. Then as we head into 9 o'clock p.m., we're going to be around that kind of moon sky, lit sky, 15 degrees, pretty cold, and again, watch for those slick spots as they develop on the roadways this evening. Maybe a few slick spots with all that melting sleet and snow on the roads that we had earlier today. So yeah, pretty nice day though. You can just watch for some slick spots as you head out on the roads this evening. Alright, so first of all, our tonight's forecast in St. Louis, freaking cold, that's what it is. 0 to 15 mile per hour wind gusts. Northeast winds pushing at 0 to 15 miles per hour. Low tonight is 6 degrees, mostly clear skies, but it's pretty cold. Tomorrow's forecast, 35 degrees will do it for the high tomorrow. It's basically a little bit warmer than today, but it's still below normal with that time of year. Mostly sunny skies, and it's not as cold tomorrow. Our 7-day forecast for you guys shows not a lot in the way of any precipitation, just pretty moderating temperatures. Tuesday's high is 35, Wednesday's high is 38, and then here comes Thursday, 43 degrees on Thursday, a little bit better on Thursday. Then Friday comes 55 degrees on Friday, Saturday 49, and Sunday almost 50 degrees both those days. Now that Saturday, we're going to keep that rain chance in there on Saturday. But other than that, look at that, 55 on Friday, 50 on Saturday, and 49 on Sunday. So remember, just kind of bear with it here as we get through the day. This today, and just remember that warm temps are definitely on the way. For St. Louis Source Forecast, I'm Matt Witt, and thank you for checking in to our video forecast. We'll see you tomorrow.